Hi BFF! Today is Thursday, May 21st, 2020, and we're still learning about ocean animals. It's our last day of the week learning about ocean animals. And today I have some really cool clip cards with some ocean animals on them. And we are going to try to find the beginning letters of each of these ocean or sea animals. So we'll start with the one with lots of animals on it. So first I have a turtle, and usually we call them a sea turtle, but for today we'll call them a turtle. Which one of these letters, sorry, I'm looking at it backwards, makes the beginning sound in turtle? T makes the beginning sound in turtle. So I'm going to circle that one. T. T for turtle. Next, we're going to go here. And do we know what the sea animal is? It's a dolphin. And it goes dolphin. Do we know which one of these letters makes the sound? So this one here is a B, N, D. Which one of those dolphin makes the D sound? Very nice. All right, so this is one of my very favorite ocean animals. This is an octopus, and octopus makes the or O sound. Octopus. So we have s, and p. Which letter makes the beginning sound of octopus? O, octopus. O is the beginning letter in the sound of octopus. Next we have a seahorse. So we have V, H, and S. Which one of those letters makes the beginning sound of seahorse? Did anybody say an S? I'm going to say that's right. Seahorse. Next, we have a crab. So we have the letter F, and it goes f. And the letter D goes d. The letter C goes k. Which one of these letters makes the k sound in crab? The letter C. Circle that one. Next, we have a shark. Shark. Now, in this one, we have the letter R, and it goes In this one, it's an S and an H, and when you put those two sounds together, it goes sh. And then this one, we have the letter K, and it goes k. Which one of the letters makes the beginning shark sound in shark? S-H, shark. Very nice. Next, down here, we have a whale. And there's A, O, and then W-H, wa. Which one makes the beginning sound in whale? No. W-H goes whale. So we'll circle the W-H. Then next we have a starfish. And in the beginning of starfish, we have starfish. Let's see. Is it F, S, or T? We're looking for the beginning sound of starfish. Did anybody say S? I say you're right. Starfish is correct. Next, we have a lobster. Lobster. Does the beginning letter start with a P sound? D. B sound? B. B sound or O L sound? Lobster. Did we say B? No, the beginning of the word lobster makes the O sound. So we're going to circle the letter L. Lobster. Okay, we're all done with that one. We've got a few more. And this one here is a pufferfish. See, does the beginning sound of pufferfish make D sound, P sound, or F sound? Pufferfish. The beginning goes P. So we'll circle the letter P. I think pufferfishes are pretty cool too. Next we have a jellyfish. So, at the beginning of the word jellyfish, does it start with a F sound, an L sound, or J sound? Jellyfish. The beginning is J, jellyfish. Next we have an eel. And an eel, if you can hear that sound, does it start with M sound, A sound, or E or S sound, E sound? Eel. It's the E. Then last, we have a manatee. This is a manatee. And it goes manatee. Does the beginning sound go T sound, M sound, or N sound? Manatee. A manatee goes for the M. So we'll circle the letter M. All right, friends. I hope you learned some fun, or remember some fun ocean animals, and practice finding their beginning letter sound or finding the letter that they belong to. You guys have a good weekend.